Und jetzt das letzte Gedicht. Dr. Quincy's Pleasure Emporium. Yes, I can see you, said the dwarf, swinging from his chandelier, flinging out his long orange hair, as I lay under the leopard skin sofa, entangled with a purple-eyed nymph. A peacock uttered its long, harsh cry, which ricocheted off the round mirror encased in a copper ring, causing me to curse and wriggle out, abandoning the nymph who rolled up into a ball and whimpered, as a white crow flew round my head. Fuck off, motorbike. As a white crow flew round my head, then zipped off, cawing me to follow into a yellow room where a piper spun webs of green and blue, and my nymph swirled with a dwarf whose orange echoed the leaping flames of the log fire, in front of which Dr. Quincy swayed in a hammock, sipping brandy, stroking the now quiet peacock, who suddenly laid an egg that was gold. Thank you.